Today is the Crossfire Legend Championship Day 1 here at Magallanes, Makati at Green Sun Hotel. So here we witness the winner for the semifinals, and as I enter the venue, different Crossfire Legend statues awaits for me, standees. So as I enter in the venue, I will also be encountering different TikTokers such as Philia and Irina as they are making their highlights for the said venue. See, they are TikTok ready. And as I enter, I also see Vince G there, the caster. And of course, we are going to the step 1 for the freebies. And so I was able to register for the event. Then I also get the ballers and also the other freebies for the event. As I entered the venue, I was able to witness the Vietnam versus Vietnam battle for semifinals in Crossfire, and it was won by Evo as they are the first team to be able to enter the grand finals for Crossfire Legends. So see you again for my next video.